Okay, so here is our 3D walkthrough of the Miracle Investments office property. And as we are driving up into the property, you can see to the left is one segment of our driveway and parking area. And we have our two green spaces right there. And as we make our way around, you'll see right there that is going to be the conference room once we get in there. And coming back around, we come into the main area. Our ADA spots and our bicycle spot is going to be all the way in the far right hand corner, and then all these larger spots are the ADA spots. So as we continue to come through, we'll be coming through these glass double doors into the reception area. And something to note is once we come into here, the flooring is going to be tile, and above us right there is a steel beam. It's the only steel beam that we have in the property because of the longer span that we have to go through there. And so coming through our hallway here, as we come in, we take a right, and this is going to be essentially the president's office, whoever owns the company, or it's the biggest office space here, and it's also the most removed from the rest of the area. And that's going to be some carpet flooring, and obviously we have some FF&E furniture in there. All double paned awning windows that open out, and continuing to walk through in here, all tile flooring once again until we get into the offices. They all have carpet, and this is one of the executive rooms, so it's a larger floor plan than the rest of the other offices, which we'll see here in a second. There's two of those, and that is just accompanied right next to the president's office. So walking through this door is an unfinished bathroom, and it's obviously tile flooring as well, and obviously not a whole lot to see in there at the moment. No fixtures or any plumbing finishes in there right now. And so this right here, we're walking through the kitchen now, and you can see that steel beam again. It's a very long room. Kind of allows us to kind of see outside, which is a pretty nice view. And here we go into one of the smaller offices. There are four of these. Getting a pretty good view of the walls there, but essentially seeing the size of the space. And as we come down, we make ourselves a right, and we come into the conference room. So this is obviously the biggest room in the building, and this is for large meeting areas and I guess any meetings that we have. So walking back down, so those are the four smaller office spaces right there. We're gonna have not the restaurant, but we have the kitchen to the left, and then back into the reception area as we are walking back out. ADA rooms, and then our bicycle spot all the way there on the left, and we're gonna kind of go back around here, and so we would be facing essentially the main road right here and the property adjacent to us on the east. And then we'll just turn right back around and kind of finish this this little presentation here. Kind of get one last glimpse at the property itself, and obviously all this is green space, but it's brown right now because it's all unfinished.